Are you having fun riding the cart with Daddy? You going fast. Look at you go. Over here drifting. Look at Daddy. Having drifted. Whoa, Trev, look at you go. Look at you go, Trev. What do you think? Oh boy. This is actually the bed I'm interested in Trip having. And then look, he can have like a fort underneath it. We can put like your bookcase underneath here, bud. You can have a curtain under here, a little play mat. We can have pictures and different little toys. Yeah, you have your little tent. What do you think? I think this would be really cute. You don't like it. It's a little children's desk. It's very cute. And their little sewing corner area here. I do like the pegboard. Yes! Oop, about to fall. We can get something like this and put above the table for him to hang his artwork on. Daddy got you spinning all over the place. Hey, don't run into nobody, Dada. Oh my gosh. Everything's a race car. Oh, look at there. We actually get to look in the kids section. Before I avoided this area. Now we're actually going inside. What can we find? Found the kitchen. Yeah, can you reach it? What do you think? We asked Santa if Santa would get it for us. Maybe Santa Claus will get it for us. I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect size. Yeah. He will probably stay here for a good little time. And then they have hooks where you can put like pots and pans and those little utensils and stuff here. Those little baskets that I got for him, they will fit nice and neat inside here with the food.
Trip. Come on, baby.
We can put little baskets in here for more food.
Say bye-bye, Trip.
I've seen people even put like a telephone on the side. Trip's like, let me tell you about this bye-bye business. Y'all go bye-bye. Yeah. Well, if you can wait, I can definitely wait to eat.
So we're going downstairs now?
Yes, to check out. I don't think I've ever eaten it IKEA before. We got the lat table and chairs, and the chair in white. This chair, the kids one in white. Ken and Trip are off to get ice cream, and I'm getting ready to purchase these items right here. Oh. Yeah, very quick and easy. And look, we got an ice cream cone. Yum.
You to do something on the weekend you wanted to do. You get in buy something.
It felt good, Ken. Mission accomplished. We're trying out this restaurant for dinner. Matchbox American Kitchen and Spirit. Guys, eat in here. Let me know what's your favorite menu. What's your favorite entree? I guess I should say not favorite menu. So it's the fettuccine pasta. And you got the shrimp and grits. So we'll see how this is. Oh, it's doing a video. He's gonna eat those Cheetos.
That's what he likes. That and booze.
Yeah, I like this page. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. You do a lot of stickers and coloring in the car. It's kind of one of the ways I keep him entertained. Daddy is in Cold Stone right now. He's getting a smoothie for me. Ice cream for him. Color, color, color. Good job, bud. So we are back home. You can hear the boys playing in the bedroom. I'm in the bathroom getting ready to turn the water on for a shower. Thanks you guys for following with us on this IKEA vlog. If you enjoy our family vlogs, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll be going to Jamaica next month, so I'll definitely be taking you guys there. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you on my main channel on Wednesday.